Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, we're going to talk about a product that I'm very excited about. Actually, I've been meaning and asking these guys, hey, I want to get this product going now, man. So I got them. I got them to actually send me a product and review it. And today we're gonna open box. We're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna talk about it. Deformable Lamp, it's called. And this is something I wanted for not just for myself, but actually for the studio because the lighting here sucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, at night, it's night, perfect night. I'm gonna go do a outside video shot so you guys can see how bad the lighting looks, and then we're gonna replace it with this device, of course, and show you guys a little bit more about what the device does. All right. So first of all, off the bat, 80 watts voltages. All right, but the lumium, it's 8,000 lumens in there. This is super bright. If you want light, then let there be light. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this sucker, and we're gonna look it up and see what you guys get and what kind of LED lights are included. So let's go ahead and unlock it and get it going. So right now off the bat, warranty information, instructions, how to set it up, how to put it together. Very simple. You know, if you know how to take off a light bulb, you have no issues putting it together. So a personal card information, who to contact, more warranty information, and then of course the piece of resistance. We're gonna unlock it, and it's well secure in here. It's a very durable box, of course. I'll go ahead and unlock it. We're gonna move the box to the side a little bit. Now let me tell you something about this thing, all right? So right now off the bat, it's 8,000 lumens on it. And that's a lot. If you guys know about lumiums, this is something you guys want to look at it. Your personal home, maybe you have like maybe 100 to 200. They're talking about 8,000 lumens. Now, 50,000 hours lifetime warranty on this. Another great thing is 2-year warranty or whatever comes first. And most of the times, once you get some like this, you're pretty much never going to replace. Now, the side panels itself, they look like metal, but they're actually metal, and they're printed out metal. You can tell they're print out metal. And everybody's using this now these days. They're doing printouts, simplifying the whole solution. And let me open it up so you guys can see how it looks. So it looks pretty much like a fan. It's a 3D. It's like a fan. Let me get the zoom out. It goes. So it looks like a little fan. All right. If you want certain light in certain spots, you can move them. Very simple to move. Every single connection is connected well. They're all tied in with screws, and a simple little Allen wrench that you can see. But actually, I wouldn't recommend removing any of this stuff because it's pretty much base is set to light up and move independently. So one light could be flashing higher on one corner. For studio lighting, this is a great product too. A lot of times that you guys buy studio lights, you buy these umbrellas that you focus in, or also you could tie in some studio lights that have these black fields that you actually could block them out and block this light out or focus the light on certain location. This is the same thing, but in this reality, it's actually going to turn on the LED lights and give you more lighting. So bunch of LED lights here. A couple of little tiny little insurgency holes right here, so you can actually get the heat out of it. It looks well soldered, well put together, and I just want to set it up and see how well it works. So right now we're gonna do an outside shot of before and after. And I'm just gonna show you how bright it is from the outside, and then the secondary will be replacing this and adding the secondary light, which is this light. And I'm stoked about it. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. As is, you could just keep it as one unit, you know, but if you want to stretch it out and get the lighting all around the floor, you could, you know, manipulate this whole system and change the device how you want to light the thing. So it looks like a 3D, it looks like a fan if you guys see it. I like this whole setup of the simplicity of the, it's like a fan pretty much, but you manipulate these things to where you want the light. Like I said, for studio lighting, it's probably one of the best things I want to do for this surrounding that I have here for studio. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how well it works first. But before that, I'm gonna show you the before and after. So I'm gonna go ahead and do two handheld setups so you guys can check it out. So stick around. All right, so we're gonna do a few experiment out here. So this is my front yard right now, and the light is a little. This is an LED light, 100 watts power, and if you guys can see the color differences, try to block that out. If you guys can see the color differences on the structure, there's not that much you can do. It's just a solid light. It's not dependable. It's basic light, and you guys see the grass, and you see this dog in detail. But I'm gonna show you guys the difference on this light compared to the other one. All right, if you can see the light, that's the top of the light, if you guys see it. And I'm gonna try to give you a better angle of how bright it is. This is 800 lumens, right? But right now you can't see anything on the ground, but look at this. I'm gonna focus in on what you can do. So I'm gonna drop down the light a little bit here, and then I'm gonna drop down the light in the back, and just a little bit in the bottom. Now if you guys can see, it's going everywhere. It's everywhere. The whole neighborhood is pretty much covered up. You guys can see it. So I'm gonna pick one up because it's super bright. Pick up the other one. But if you guys can see it, details on everything now. Like the lighting is super strong. I'm gonna move the light somewhere else so you guys can see a better angle. All right, so we're gonna try to move this light in here so you guys can see the details of everything. I mean, you can tell all the stuff in details, including the dogs, how well the light is lighting. This is gonna light everything. I mean, these things right here are flexible. You know, you can move them up and down. If it's too bright, you know, pick them up. If it's not too bright, easy to adjust. Very easy, very strong. 800 lumens altogether. This is one of the best lights. This is good for studio lighting, housing, garages, dark places. This will give you lights in places that you never even knew there was light. I like this whole thing. Look at that. Super bright, super easy, and it's not even hot. It doesn't get hot. It's a little warm, but LED lights, and like I said, it's adjustable to any kind of angle you want. You could get any degrees. Great lighting, super strong light effect. Very simple to install. You know, the only bad thing that I had an issue with is that you need a lot of spacing. So if you're gonna put this your lipo, existing lipo, you got to make sure you have nothing blocking the actual plates, because that's going to be an issue. So just remember that these plates need to be flexible. You can put them all around if you want. It'll give you a 360 lighting around the whole system, your whole area. But you got to make sure that you have enough room, because if you don't have enough room, this is not going to be good for you. So just make sure you have enough room to when you're setting this up on your existing light bulb, right? And like I said, I put it on here right now. I'm going to turn it off how dark it is. Super dark. All right, just give you guys a demo. And I'm outdoors right now, and look how bright it is. Like day right now. This is super strong. If you're a studio, independent studio, you want to use light, I recommend you guys. This is a perfect lighting for demonstration. Like right now, if you guys can see, it's perfect lighting right here, all around here. The light on the structure itself, really good studio light and housing light, garage lights, anything. The perfect device. I like it. Very simple to install. Like I said, if you have any questions or any comments, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.